I'm pretty sure that you know by now that in this new world of smart guitars, there are certain guitars that like to call themselves smart, but really aren't all that smart. But then there are guitars that completely change the game. Truly innovative guitars that are worthy of the title smart guitar. The Enya NEXG guitar. The Enya NEXG. I assume that it's short for next generation. And your minds are about to be blown away by what this thing is. Okay, this is a guitar. And it's a beautiful guitar. It's heavy as well because there's a high quality amplifier here. High quality, heavy duty, full range amplifier. And now I'm going to turn it on and connect it to the app so that you can see everything that the Enya NEXG can do. All right, so it's turned on. You can hear it's a fully electroacoustic guitar. If you turn the volume down, by the way, you have a screen here. I'll show you the screen in a second, okay? But the screen can wait. I want to show you something. When you turn the volume down, you can't hear a thing. This is an electric guitar, an electroacoustic guitar, and it's meant to be turned on. Okay? Quality amp. Now, this is just the beginning. Now, you have a mixer. This is the first thing you see, even before the presets. You see the mixer. You can connect a mic into the guitar if you want and sing along with it. It also has a drum machine. Okay, we'll get there in a sec. That's why I said the screen can wait. And you have a mixer, the guitar volume, the line out, and the headphone if you want to use headphones and play it silently, the microphone volume. Now let's go to presets. We have the acoustic preset, we have the rock preset, we have the fusion preset, and we have the lab preset. Now, all of these presets have different sounds that you can also edit and that you can design to your own taste. Okay, so we have this. Okay, different sounds. See? Now let's go to rock. See, a little bit louder. And so on and so forth. The fusion can get really interesting. Makes you wonder what the lab is all about, right? Let's go to lab. A little bit of detuning. So, as you can see, this is absolutely fantastic. And now, You also have tools. You have a looper and a drum machine. And now let's go and loop. Right? First of all, you can have the drums whenever you want them. Okay, and you have all sorts of different beats. And the really cool thing here is that you can operate it right from the screen. It's a touch screen. You don't have to use the app all the time. Okay, now let's create a loop, a simple loop, so you can see how cool this is. So you see the screen? I'm just touching it and it'll start recording. So just a simple loop. And you can also control the volume of everything after you're recording. You can lower the drum volume, you can raise the guitar volume, and now loop. Okay, so I lowered the guitar volume a little bit so that my soloing will rise above it. See? And obviously, you can also change the effect when you're soloing over yourself. So this guitar is not only a guitar, it's also a looping station and a drum machine, and basically a whole portable studio. And one more thing, the coolness doesn't even end there. There's a dedicated foot switch that you can get. Okay, this, you know, you can take this off. But you can operate the looper and the drum machine, and you can operate the guitar. You can go between presets as well. You see switch between presets in preset mode, in looper interface, and so on and so forth. Record, dub, stop, play, and you have the drum machine. You have everything. You can operate this guitar wirelessly as well, which is absolutely cool. My hat's off to you, Enya, and I highly recommend this insanely smart guitar. This is the best amp that I've seen on a guitar so far, on a smart guitar so far, by far. Okay? When you get yourself one of these, you'll understand. This guitar is, it has weight because of the amp, because it's such a high quality amp. There was a reason that I started with this, because normally the amps are where smart guitars have a disadvantage, because usually it's very small amps, not very high quality. Not here. Here you get, you know, everything you wish for, basically. Everything that you're promised with this guitar, the promises are fulfilled one by one, and it's, you know, it's just the tip of the iceberg, what I just showed you, what you can do with this guitar. This is just spectacular. I love it. The NEXG by Enya. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.